Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say e administration dey committed to bring ogbonge access, security and infrastructure to Inikorogha community for Ovia Southwest local government area of Edo State before the end of a tenure as Edo Governor. Oga Obaseki yarn dis one wen e hold one tok-tok section wit elders of Inikorogha community for im visit to di community to do check on top work wey dey go on for di community. Amakosuwe of Inikorogha community elder Jacob Parowu kontri salute to Oga Obaseki for peace and security wey di community don dey enjoy since im send security personnel to di community 8 months ago. Di elders con still beg Oga Obaseki say as father of di state make e help dem fix Udo Inikorogha road wey don bad finish as dem no fit dey pass am again and na im be di only road wey link over 200 communities including Benin, Ijaw, Itsekiri communities. Dem con still beg Oga Obaseki to help dem construct jetty and police post for di community.
Let Udo Inikorogha road be fixed. That's one of our demands. Udo Inikorogha road is in a deplorable situation. You can't pass through it. It's not motorable. And that is the only access road through which we get to every other part of the world. And it links over 200 communities. Benin communities, Ijaw communities, Itsekiri communities, but all these communities are locked up. Sir, we implore you to help us fix this road before you finally leave office. If you do that, forever and ever, Inikorogha community will remember you. A jetty and a police station. We would want to have that also, if possible, because it's already a promise and we want to have it before you leave office. A jetty and a police station.
Oga Obaseki for im response con tok say di security situation trouble am well wen e come see how tins be for di community 8 months ago, especially for di area of illegal falling of trees wey Baba pipo con dey use to do Baba tins for di community and neighbour communities, and say dat na why dem decide dat day to stop all di illegal criminal activities, and say wen you get beta security, oda ogbonge tins go follow for community, and say belle sweet am for di way di security situation don improve for Inikorogha.
As you can see, this is a very brief walking visit to Inikorogha. I was here about 8 months ago, very worried about the security situation, and came to see things for myself. First at the national park, because I was very concerned about the level of deforestation and illegal felling of trees, and they were using this location as one of the points for moving these logs out and perpetrating criminal activities. Having seen myself, we made a decision that day that government will do all it can to put an end to these nefarious and criminal activities. And I'm glad today that coming here to see things for myself, the situation, the security situation in this community and most other communities around here have improved tremendously. So once you have security, every other thing follows. Yes, now that we have been able to secure Inikorogha and surrounding communities, I'm here to also further the promise I made, which is that we're going to improve access. Because once this place is safe, the next thing is you want to have access. And fortunately for you, we can have access both by land and by water. And I want to do both.
Obaseki con still tok say e administration go look into the designs of Udo Inikorogha road wey NDDC don first award and abandon, and say im go meet with NDDC make dem resume work. Oga Obaseki con still let the elders of the community know say e administration through Esopadec don award the contract for the construction of jetty and police post to improve transportation and security for the community, and say before im go leave office as governor of Edo State, dem go see correct improvement for these areas.
I've been discussing with the local government chairman of Ovia Northeast and Ovia Southwest. And the Udo Inikorogha road, as you know, was awarded by NDDC and abandoned. Fortunately, there's a new board. We have also reviewed the designs of the road, and very early in the new year, I'll be approaching them for us to resume building the roads. If NDDC does not do it, we, Edo State government, will do it. I am here to look at the location of the jetty because we have already awarded the contract. Esopadec has awarded the contract for the construction of the jetty and the police post. We have also commenced the process of buying and procuring some transport boats for the communities. And I'm here to understand what is going on and how you people move goods and services. That's why I chose a market day to come so that I can see things for myself. Rest assured, before I leave office, you will see progress, significant progress in these two areas. Once we can have access, then it is now easier to bring economic development. It's easier to bring factories, to bring schools and other institutions so that people who you post here can stay here. I know you are having challenges with teachers in your secondary school. I am aware. We are going to hire another set of teachers for you again. This time from the community. Let them not come back, run away to Benin. Huh? Okay.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ovia Southwest Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.